Good afternoon, everybody. Bob Van Eyten with Performance Ag Service, Missouri Valley, Iowa, coming to you from a hill farm in Harrison County, a farm that we're going to have a custom rig on here in the next 10 days or so. So Dylan and I wanted to get out here, take a look at it, see what it looked like before we sent them out, see if there was any changes we need to make to the mix. As you can see, a lot of weeds in this field, a lot of them greening up. All the winter annuals are getting ready to really take off. Not a whole lot of purple left in any of them, and actually some of them are starting to get some pretty good size to them. Tansy mustard, mare's tail, curly dock, just to name a few that are out here. You really can't take a step or look around in any no-till field right now in Harrison County and not find some weeds that need addressed. So the plan for this field, it's dicamba beans. It was going to be an Ingenia Authority First condensed DRA tank mix, and I think we might change it up just a hair. We might have to add some Roundup to the mix on this particular farm. We've walked quite a bit of it. There's actually grass creeping on the edges, and we found a couple patches of downy brome out in the field. So also with the size of some of these mare's tail, well past $half size, getting ready to start shooting some height to them, the Roundup in the tank is gonna help you out a lot. So that's one thing we wanted to mention too, is as we go out there, take a look, don't cut any rates, and don't be afraid if you do have to add something to the tank. Make sure that you do add it on that first trip, because if we're chasing these weeds, guys, it's going to be tough. So right now we're sitting at 64, 65 GDUs in this area. We're more than double what we've been the last 2 years. The last 2 years at this time we've been in the low 20s. So things are really shaping up in these fields and are getting ahead of us right now. So in the next 10 days, you need to get out, you need to look, you need to scout, and if you gotta address some changes to your mix, don't be afraid to do it. Do it field by field. You may not have to change something on every mix in every field, but maybe you need to change the first load when you're going around the outside edge. Maybe you need something in there around the field edges to get the grass, so you don't come back in 3 weeks and you got a grass problem on your hands. So anyway, get out there, guys, stay vigilant, take a look at it, and good luck to you. We'll see you next time.